Good morning, Grouchy Baptist Church Youth Group. Today's video segment will be What Am I Without Thee? What am I without Thee, Lord? A mere stem that hath no flower, a seed forever a storm without its calm, a cloud void of lightning, a dark star, a bird with both wings broken, a brook that never reacheth the sea, a wave that runneth forever to no shore, a drop suspended between the heaven and the earth, arrested in his course, a bud that will never open, a hope that is always dying, an eye with no sparkle in it, a orchestra wanting the violin, a arrow shot, a sleep without a dream and without waking time, a heart that liveth but throbbeth not, a blurred picture, a lonesome yearning forever. Amen. Without God, we're nothing. For without Jesus, we can do nothing. So this song is Trust and Obey.
Lone stands the house, and the chimney stone is cold. Lone, let it stand now. The friends are all departed.
Trust and obey, for there's no other way to be happy in Jesus, but to trust and obey.
Spring shall come again, calling up the moorfowl. Spring shall bring the sun and rain, bring the bees and flowers.
Amen.
Red
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Children, go in peace with each other, your parents, and God. Amen.